Imagine this. You're digging through old coin jars, perhaps a grandparent's forgotten collection, and there it is. A penny, dated 1943. Looks like any other penny? Or does it? What if this seemingly humble copper-colored disc holds a secret worth not just hundreds, not thousands, but potentially millions of dollars? For decades, this coin has been the stuff of urban legends, whispered tales among collectors, and the subject of countless treasure hunts. Today, we're diving deep into the extraordinary story of the 1943 U.S. 1-cent coin, and why a tiny handful of them are truly worth a king's ransom. We'll separate the fact from the fiction, and tell you exactly what you need to look for to determine if you might be holding a genuine, multi-million-dollar piece of history. To understand the legend of the 1943 penny, we first have to travel back in time to World War II. As America geared up for the global conflict, vital resources became scarce. Copper, the traditional material for the humble 1-cent coin, was desperately needed for ammunition, shell casings, and electrical wiring. So, in 1943, the U.S. Mint made a radical change. For 1 year only, pennies were struck on zinc-coated steel planchets. This gave them a distinctive silvery gray appearance, a stark contrast to the familiar reddish-brown copper. Over 1 billion of these steel pennies were minted across Philadelphia, No Mint Mark, Denver, D, and San Francisco, S, mints. These steel pennies are very common. If you find one today, in circulated condition, it's typically worth just a few cents, maybe up to a few dollars if it's in excellent shape. So, if your 1943 penny is silver-colored and sticks to a magnet, which it should if it's steel, then it's a common wartime relic, not the multi-million-dollar treasure. Now, for the real story. Amidst the massive production of steel pennies in 1943, a miraculous error occurred. A tiny, almost infinitesimal number of copper planchets, the blank discs normally used for pennies, somehow got mixed in with the new steel blanks. It's believed these were leftover copper planchets from 1942 that accidentally remained in the hoppers when production switched to steel. This accidental striking resulted in a handful of 1943 pennies being made of bronze, 95% copper, 5% tin and zinc, just like the pennies from years before and after the wartime change. These are the holy grails of penny collecting. They look like a regular copper penny, but they bear the 1943 date, and crucially, they are not magnetic. Estimates vary, but it's believed that only around 10 to 20 genuine 1943 copper pennies exist across all three mints. Their extreme rarity, coupled with their fascinating wartime-era story, catapults their value into the stratosphere. These aren't just valuable, they are multi-million-dollar coins. Over the years, the appearance of a confirmed 1943 copper penny at auction sends shockwaves through the numismatic world. 1943 D copper sent $1.7 million. Let's talk about the big one. In 2010, a 1943 D Denver Mint copper cent graded PCGSMS 64 brown came up for sale at an auction by Heritage Auctions. This specific coin is considered the finest known example of a 1943 D copper cent, and possibly the finest overall of any 1943 copper penny from any mint. The bidding was intense, reflecting its unparalleled rarity and condition. The hammer fell at an astonishing $1.7 million. A penny from 1943, selling for more than a luxury home. This record-breaking sale cemented the 1943 copper penny's status as one of the most valuable era coins in U.S. history. Other authenticated 1943 copper pennies have also commanded incredible sums. A 1943 Philadelphia copper cent, No Mint Mark, sold for over $200,000 in 2019, and another for $372,000 in 2021. A 1943 San Francisco Mint, copper set fetched over $500,000 in 2020. The variations in price depend heavily on the coin's specific mint mark, its condition, its grade, and its provenance, its history of ownership. But one thing is clear: if you have a genuine 1943 copper penny, you have an object worth a substantial fortune. So, how do you find one of these elusive treasures? And more importantly, how do you avoid falling for a fake? Because, given their value, the 1943 copper penny is one of the most counterfeited coins in numismatics. Point 1. The magnet test. Crucial. This is your first and most important step. Get a strong magnet. If your 1943 penny sticks to the magnet, it's a common steel penny, worth very little. If it does not stick to the magnet, then you might have a genuine copper error coin. This is the key indicator. Point 2. The weight test. Genuine 1943 copper pennies weigh approximately 3.11 grams. The common 1943 steel pennies weigh about 2.7 grams. Use a precise digital scale to verify the weight. Even a small difference is significant. Point 3. Visual inspection. Beware of altered dates. Counterfeiters sometimes alter the date of a 1945, 1948, or 1949 copper penny to make it look like a 3. Examine the 3 in 1943 under magnification. Look for signs of tampering, scratches, or an unnatural shape to the number. The 3 on a genuine 1943 penny should be distinct and not look like an altered 5/8 or 9. Also, look for signs of copper plating on a steel penny. Sometimes, unscrupulous individuals will copper plate a common 1943 steel penny to make it look like the rare error. Look for uneven coloring, peeling, or dull spots where the plating might have worn off. Point 4. Professional authentication is a must. If your 1943 penny passes the magnet and weight tests and looks authentic, do not clean it. You could severely damage its value. The only way to confirm its authenticity and precise value is to have it professionally authenticated and graded by a reputable third-party grading service, such as PCGS, Professional Coin Grading Service, or NGC, Numismatic Guarantee Corporation. They have the expertise and equipment to distinguish genuine rarities from sophisticated fakes. The story of the 1943 copper penny is a powerful reminder that sometimes the greatest treasures are hidden in plain sight. While the vast majority of 1943 pennies are common steel cents, the existence of these rare, multi-million-dollar copper errors keeps the dream alive for collectors everywhere. So, the next time you encounter a 1943 penny, take a moment. Hold it. Give it the magnet test. You might just be holding a piece of wartime history, an incredibly rare minting error, and an object worth far, far more than its face value. A true million-dollar surprise. Thank you for joining us on Pocket Change Fortunes. We hope this deep dive into the legendary 1943 copper penny has inspired your own treasure hunt. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more captivating coin stories, and tell us in the comments, have you ever found a rare coin? Happy hunting, everyone!